How frustrating it can be when you try to start your vehicle that's been sitting for a while and your battery's dead. We have the solution. This is the Battery Butler Smart Battery Charger and Maintainer, Lectric Limited part number BBFC100. This charger is ideally suited for vehicles that are only used periodically or stored for a long period of time, and was designed with the classic car and muscle car owner in mind. This charger will charge and maintain both 6 and 12 volt batteries of the most popular battery types: lead acid, AGM, gel, and others. Simply connect it to your battery, plug it in, and forget about it until the next time you need to use your vehicle. What's in the box? You'll get the charger that plugs into any standard 120 volt outlet. It comes with 11 feet of cord, or if that's not long enough, you can use a regular extension cord. It includes a clamp type adapter to temporarily connect to a top post or side post battery. It includes a ring terminal adapter to connect to the battery of your motorcycle, lawnmower, lawn tractor, ATV, generator, etc. Since this adapter is designed for a permanent mount to your battery, there is a protective cap along with a 7.5 amp fuse. Lastly, you receive a clearly written instruction manual. If you have a top post battery, you will use the clamp type adapter. Simply connect the adapter's red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal of your battery. Then plug the adapter's connector into the charger's mating connector. If you have an automotive side post battery, or battery for a motorcycle, lawn tractor, ATV, etc., you will use the ring terminal adapter. This ring terminal adapter is designed to remain connected to your battery. Simply connect the adapter's red ring terminal to the battery's positive terminal and the black ring terminal to the battery's negative terminal. You can now route the adapter to a convenient, accessible location, remove the protective cover, plug the adapter's connector into the charger's mating connector, and plug your charger into a wall outlet or extension cord. As an option, if you have a battery in your vehicle that is difficult to access, or you don't want to lift your hood to access your battery, you can conveniently maintain your battery through your vehicle's cigarette lighter or power port by purchasing our optional cigarette lighter power port adapter, part number BBFC100. Note that this optional adapter can only be used in a cigarette lighter or power port that is not energized by the ignition switch, meaning you need a direct connection to the battery at all times. After connecting the adapter to the charger, plug the adapter into the vehicle's cigarette lighter or power port and plug the charger into a wall outlet. This charger comes with an easy-to-understand 2-color LED status display. A flashing red light indicates that the charger is plugged into a working outlet, but either not connected to your battery, or there is a reverse connection at your battery. A solid red light indicates that the charge cycle has initiated and your battery is charging properly at the charger's full power output. A flashing green light indicates that your battery is in absorption mode and more than 80% charged. A solid green light indicates that your battery is now fully charged and the charger is now in maintenance or storage mode, actively monitoring your battery. The charger will automatically turn its power output on and off as your battery requires. The Battery Butler storage charger will automatically detect your 6 or 12 volt battery, will automatically switch its output voltage to a safe storage level that eliminates the damaging effects of overcharging, is spark-proof and short-circuit protected, and is specifically designed for long-term use. You can safely leave it connected to your battery for days, weeks, months, even years.